powerful country on earth. Life on the streets in America is hard. The New Orleans Mission understands. Its mission?
I've been struggling, I just feel broken. I don't know where to go next.
Rescue.
And there's real hope. And we want to share with you this, God. We want to introduce you to him, but right now we want to get you safe.
Recovery.
The meth and the weed and the sex and all the things that we're doing are really not the problem.
Re-engagement.
The New Orleans Rescue Mission and the Giving Hope Retreat, a facility and a center that's going to be offered to you open 24/7.
Real people, real pain, real hope.
Whether you're on drugs, whether you're struggling with alcohol, whether you're in a broken marriage.
The New Orleans Mission and the new North Shore Giving Hope Retreat present a riveting radio revelation. Desperate reality, facing the truth, with your host, Johnny L.